Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete contact in Google account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your Google Chrome or Mozilla, and then you can click on this Google Apps option. Go to the Google Apps and you're going to scroll down until you find contacts option. Okay, and here you'll be able to delete contact in your Google account. As you can see guys, I have 100 contacts on my Google, and if we want to delete it, we just need to click on this three dots, more option, and then we can simply click on delete. Okay, then click on move to trash. Right, and now the contact has been deleted or has been removed from my Google account. And I'm going to select one more contact. I'm going to delete it like this. Or actually you can select multiple contacts like this guys, and you will be able to delete multiple contacts if you want. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete contact in Google account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.